Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Vskills Logistics and Supply Chain Manager Career Guide. In this video we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to become a logistics and supply chain manager, and how Vskills Placement Cell can help you with your job. So let's get started. A human resource manager is considered as the controllers of the human resources department, and provide insurance for functions and tasks being carried out by the HR team. HR managers work as a link between an organization's management and its employees. Their work runs the range from providing consultation on strategic planning with top executives, to recruiting, interviewing, and hiring new staff. The responsibilities of a human resource manager are: human resource managers are responsible for motivating and retaining the most qualified talent, by directing the administrative functions of the HR department. They ensure that the overall administration, coordination, and evaluation of human resources plans and programs are realized. Human resource managers develop and administer the human resources plans and procedures related to company requirements. They plan, organize, and control the activities and actions of the HR department, as well as contribute to the development of HR department goals, objectives, and systems. Further, they implement and revise a company's compensation program by creating job descriptions. They conduct annual salary surveys, as well as develop, analyze, and update the company's salary budget and evaluation program. Lastly, they maintain affirmative action programs and control recruitment efforts for all personnel, including writing and placing job ads. The human resource manager role is important for any business or organization. Vskills certification in human resources management will measure the candidate's skills and knowledge according to the company's human resources needs. We examine the candidates in various areas in HRM that include basic knowledge of HRM, recruitment of right resources, training and development, and career progression. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job provider, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills Placement Cell helps you in the job search, and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will get tagged as Vskills certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills Placement Cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company, and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. Vskills certified candidates will find employment in top companies like Adecco, Mercer India, Team Lease Services Limited, Bajaj Capital Limited, IKEA Human Capital Solutions, ABC Consultants, etc. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS, and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certified Human Resource Manager covers the following topics. 1. Introduction to Human Resource Management. 2. Strategic Human Resource Management. 3. Personnel Management and Industrial Relations. 4. Human Resource Acquisition. 5. Human Resource Planning. 6. Recruitment and Selection. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of a logistics and supply chain manager. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bundled with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, you will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.